What's going on? Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to clean your C drive or local drive C in Windows 10. It's a simple procedure but very effective. We gonna show it as fast as possible. We are not using third-party app to clean up PC. And you don't have to download another creepy tool in order to do this. For your information, cleaning unwanted files from your C drive will make your system run much faster. So, let's begin. Step number 1. Cleaning. Go to your Start button and right-click on it. Now you will see this hidden menu. Choose Run from here. Now enter Temp and click on OK, which open this folder. In case if it's asking for any permission, please click on Continue. Now you will all these files and folders, which are all not needed, and it's created only for a temporary purpose. So you can select all of them. Now click on Shift+Delete on your keyboard. Some file may undeletable, so ignore them and delete the rest. Now we have to open the Run box again, and this time type in %temp%, click on OK, and another folder will appear. As same as we deal with the last temp folder, continue deleting all the file. Once you do that, you have to open the Run box for the final time, and this time type in prefetch. Now you will see another folder opens, and maybe it asks you for the permission to access the files. In that case, click on Continue, and the files and folder will be revealed to you. Now do the same thing you did with the last two folders. Select all, and hit Shift+Delete, and that's it. Step number 2. Recycle bin. You may know this already, but I have to tell you this because a majority of people are unaware of this. Whenever you delete a file by right-click Delete option, or hitting the Delete key on your keyboard, it will not remove the files from your computer. It will keep all the deleted files on your recycle bin until a certain limit, and the default Windows 10 recycle bin limit is somewhere around 50 GBs. Yes, you can hit the Shift+Delete key to delete a file from your computer completely, but what if you forget to do so? For your information, the recycle bin is using your C drive space, so technically if you delete something without hitting the Shift+Delete, it will eventually end up somewhere in your C drive or system drive, which will cause your system go slow. So if you didn't clean up your recycle bin frequently, it will acquire a good amount of space out of your C drive. So let's delete all of the files from the recycle bin as well. And hope you do this once in a while. At this point, you will see improvements on your C drive space. But wait, it's not done yet. We can do a few more things, maybe better than what you saw in 246. The previous steps. Step number 3, uninstall. In this step, we gonna show you how to uninstall all the unwanted or rarely using software or programs from your computer, which is basically installed into your C drive by default. So by removing those unwanted programs, you can get a lot more space on your C drive. For that you need to go the Start menu and search Uninstall. Now on the search result you will find the Add or Remove Programs, so click on it. Now it will open the Windows Settings Apps and Feature window. So come down here and uninstall each and every rarely using or unwanted programs. It's just a matter of clicking the Uninstall button and follow the on-screen instructions. So I'm leaving the rest to you. Step number 4, optimize. First, you gonna need to go to your this PC or File Explorer. Now go to the C drive, right-click, and choose Properties. From here go to the Tools tab and click on the Optimize option under the Optimize and Defragment Drive section. Now you will see this window, so make sure you have selected your C drive from here. Once you do that, come down here and click on the Optimize button once again, and there we go. That's pretty much we can do here. Step number 5, disk cleanup. This is the last and final step that I know. To clean your C drive even more, or to ensure everything else unwanted are cleaned from your C drive. To do this you need to go to your start menu and search disk cleanup. Now you will see it on the results, so click on it. It will performs a quick scan over your drive and shows you this window. Once you are here, check each and every option and click on Clean Up System Files. And it performs a deep scan. Once it finished it will open. Hope you are all experiencing a performance boost, free up space and a more enhanced system responsiveness. So that's all for today. Leave a like if you liked and subs if you loved. See you soon with another one.